guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
We're here to do another Supernatural Day video.
Woo! Yay. Belated, but it's here, everyone.
It is here. It's belated because our schedules just didn't work out.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this one's got a baby and this one just works. I don't know what she's really doing.
No one knows, I guess.
So we are cooking from the Supernatural Cookbook and Misha's Adventurous Eating Club cookbook. So we are doing that. We have 2 meals from Misha's book and 1 meal from the Supernatural book, where we are making Dean's breakfast sandwich or hamburger. I want to say sandwich, but it's a hamburger.
It's a hamburger, but there's an egg on it. So.
Yeah, so it's a breakfast.
Yes, breakfast related.
That's how Dean works. It's hamburger.
True.
Yep.
And then Misha's, we are doing
A pear and biggery, like souffle type
breakfast thingy.
Yeah.
I forgot the name of it. We'll tell you later about it. And we are doing a mason jar salad, which is basically a salad.
Yes.
Nice and easy this time.
Yes,
For sure.
It's very easy compared to our last 2, which I will link below for you guys if you guys want to check out the last 2 videos we did. We did mostly the Supernatural Cookbook for those, and this one we're doing a little outside the Supernatural Cookbook.
First
Supernatural.
time,
Yes.
First time from Misha's, but
Yes.
Misha's part of Supernatural, so it counts.
Yes.
For sure.
It always counts.
Yeah.
What else?
We hope you enjoy.
And happy belated Supernatural Day.
What they said.
We are making Dean's breakfast bacon cheeseburgers with honey sriracha aioli, except for we're making mayo.
Sriracha mayo.
Sriracha mayo. Okay. The Winchester brothers, at one point or another, feel like they're living on borrowed time. After he makes a deal with a Crossroads demon to save Sam, Dean goes for broke, eating his beloved burgers whenever he wants. When Bobby sees Dean cooking them for breakfast, he says, "You eating bacon cheeseburgers for breakfast now?" "Sold my soul," Dean says. "Year to live." You might not want to cook these burgers in the morning, but they do have all the components of a great breakfast. Sunny side up eggs, crispy bacon, and a spicy sweet sauce. Feel free to swap out the bacon for sausage patties and adjust the spiciness of the honey sriracha aioli to your taste. Serve with home fries and the rest of the aioli as a dipping sauce. You won't regret it.
You having issues over there, lady?
A little bit. I should have made it bigger, but I got it.
So, guys, Nicolette is doing the hamburgers for the Dean breakfast sandwich. And we are doing the, what are they called?
Pearberry breakfast cake.
Pearberry breakfast. You get what I'm saying. You making the grub?
I am.
The burgers?
I am.
thing that we're making from the Adventurous Eaters Club is pear berry breakfast cake. This breakfast cake is not too sweet at all. The fruit flavors it naturally and is packed with eggy goodness. It's custardy and scrumptious, served warm. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that artistic talent. What does it mean to roughly roughly chop the pears?
I don't think it I think
Just like
Because
it doesn't have to be.
to fit in
It
there.
doesn't have to be tiny.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be tiny. It just has to be cut enough to.
Okay.
That works. Nicolette.
I know.
Guys, she exploded in the microwave.
Okay, so I melted the butter. I did the things. And now we're combining the eggs, pear juice, which is already in there, flour, and remaining butter, and salt. Oh, not in there. In a food processor. Do we have a food processor?
Right there. What do you need to do with it?
You blend until smooth. Can I just do it in here?
Yeah, you can do it the old school way. It's fine.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's
I
gonna be
want
more.
to. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit.
Language. This is a family
Oh,
channel.
sorry. Put some chopped pears in each of the ramekins and top with a couple berries.
This is such a weird angle.
So, from this cookbook, the first one is salad bar in a mason jar. One way to invite even the most skeptical salad eaters into the joy of salads is to celebrate the power of choice. This build a salad in a jar gives kids control. We like to set up the salad toppings in individual ramekins and line them up on the salad bar. And then each kid gets an 8-ounce mason jar, and they let them go wild, and they can put in whatever they want.
again. I didn't think we were gonna get an onion video because we're not really technically cutting those kind of onions. But I didn't realize green onions would do this to her.
These are freaking fresh. Now I have one really weird.
Every video she cries because she has to cut onions, and I get it on camera every time. Like now, it makes me happy.
Okay. Do it. Do it for the squad.
Those onions smell good though.
Yeah.
As you cry.
That's Saturday. Probably.
What are you most excited for today? For what we're making today?
Burgers.
The burgers.
So excited.
You know, I'm excited for the breakfast cake thing.
That too, yeah.
The salad's a salad.
Salad is salad.
The salad's a salad. It'll be good, but it's a salad.
I'm excited for the taste of the burger, the trying the breakfast cake, and actually eating kale.
Do it. I don't care.
Get all up in your business.
I'm bringing salads back. Yeah.
It's sexy back.
But I'm bringing the salad back.
The sexy
Salad.
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 The sexy salad.
Sure. Dude, which one's on?
Alright guys, so we cooked our meals. What do you guys think?
They
Oh,
were
they're good.
great. I have to say they were like a lot more winners this time than in the past.
Yes, for sure. But they
Easier
were
also,
they were
for
also
sure.
very basic too, so
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
kind of hard to like mess up
Anyone can do
basic.
it.
Yes.
The burger was very good. It's a burger.
Yeah.
Burger
Yeah.
with an egg on top.
It's always good though.
Always good.
Yes,
Always
but it was
good.
very good.
The
pear berry thing. I liked it.
I
think
didn't
you
mind
liked
it, as
it better.
much.
You liked
Yeah.
it the most.
I liked it. I think it could have been a little bit sweeter. Like, I don't know, maybe more like a syrup or something in there. But other than that, like, from like if you got it from like a can or something, I don't know. But anyways, I really liked that one, and I did really enjoy the salad options, and I liked how like they have it so you can pick 2 of each ones, and you could do whatever.
Just make it however you want.
Exactly.
Yeah, pretty much. What would be your favorite out of the options though?
Oh.
I can't go wrong with a burger, but I feel like that's a cheap option. So the other,
I like the salad a lot.
I think the pear berry, even though it wasn't amazing, it was just so different, and I haven't had something like that before.
Yeah.
So I wasn't a fan of the pear berry, so I'm gonna say no to that one. And the salad is a salad. Like, you can't go wrong with a salad. So I'm just gonna say the burger because I didn't really like the pear thing.
Okay.
So
Fair.
that is mine. But that is it. So this didn't really take much cooking at all, honestly. But yeah, so it didn't take us long at all. Like, I think it might have took us like only an hour to cook everything.
Something like that.
And it helps that I have more cameras, so we split up the camera situation, whereas in the past we had one camera. And that makes it hard when we want to like cook more than one thing. So that was nice to have. And that's all I can think of. Anything else, guys?
I like the mimosas.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and the mimosas. The mimosas were good until Jessica drank mine and I didn't get the rest of it, so.
Sorry, not sorry.
We could have poured it in her mouth.
We could have had enough.
Yeah, in her mouth. We'll save a glass, pour it in your mouth. It's a great time as always.
Yep.
Yes, and that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to check out the other videos. I'll link them below. I said that before, but I'm saying it again. We now have TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, so I'll have those linked below. Go follow us because we'll try to post pictures, you guys. And that being said, thanks for watching.
Thanks,
Thank you. See ya.